Hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Dots group of schools. I am teaching social studies for 3rd class students. Already we completed 2 lessons. Now we are at lesson number 3, India and its divisions. I explained physical divisions and political divisions also. Physical divisions means mainly landforms, plains, plateaus, mountains, islands, coastal plains and desert. And I explain the political divisions also, states and 2 levels, central government, state government, capitals like that. Now I am going to tell you an interesting topic in lesson number 3. Before going that, I am going to share with you about the current topic. Yes, day before yesterday, our ex-president was died. His name is Pranab Mukherjee and he was 84 years old and he worked a lot for the development of our country and he got Bharat Ratna award also and he was very well educated politician and he made so many things to develop the situations of poor people. So we have to pay our tributes to that great person, and we have to remember his efficient works. We think his soul should be in peace and happiness. Okay, children. Okay. Now we enter into lesson number 3. What you are going to learn in this session? We are going to learn bits and parts. Bits and parts. Okay. First, look at the bits. See, I will tell you an interesting topic in this lesson. We have 29 states. Already I told we have 29 states. In the 29 states, 7 states are called sisters. We are having 1 or 2 sisters, but our states are having 7 sisters. What are the 7 sisters? They are in northeast. Here, see children, they are in northeast side. What are the states? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. See, look at children, here north side states, those are 7 states, they are called sisters. Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura. Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. These 7 states are called sisters. I'll ask you one question. Our earth has different landforms. Is it true or false? Our earth has different landforms. True or false? True. Why? Because we have 6 different landforms. Second one, a delta is the large mass of land with the water body. A delta is a large land with a great water body. We are drained with river. That is called delta. True or false? True. And India has a small coastal line. Is that true? No. We are having 3 sets of big water bodies, salt water bodies. So we have long coastal line. Coastal line means which is nearby seas, which is nearby ocean. And India is the 7th largest country in the world. True or false? True. And India is the 2nd populated country in the world. True or false? True. Next, in terms of area, Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India. Is that true? No. Rajasthan is the biggest state in India. But Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state. Populous means having so many people. Okay, children. Now, so tell me what are the 7 states who are calling sisters? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. 7 states. These 7 states are called sisters and they are in the northeast side of India. Now I am going to explain you 29 states and their capital. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amaravati. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amaravati. Arunachal Pradesh? Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh? Itanagar. Bihar? Patna. Bihar? Patna. Chhattisgarh? Raipur. Chhattisgarh? Raipur. Goa? Panaji. Goa? Panaji. Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Haryana? Chandigarh. Haryana? Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir? Srinagar. Jammu and Kashmir? Srinagar. Jharkhand? Ranchi. Jharkhand? Ranchi. Karnataka? Bangalore. Karnataka? Bangalore. Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh? Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Maharashtra? Mumbai. Maharashtra? Mumbai. Manipur? Imphal. Manipur? Imphal. Manipur? Imphal. Meghalaya? Shillong. Meghalaya? Shillong. And Mizoram? Aizawl. Mizoram? Aizawl. Nagaland? Kohima. Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Punjab? Chandigarh. Rajasthan? Jaipur. Jaipur is also called as Pink City. I told you already in desert lesson. It's called as a Pink City. Sikkim? Gangtok. Sikkim? Gangtok. Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Telangana? Hyderabad. Tripura? Agartala. Tripura? Agartala. Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Uttarakhand? Dehradun. West Bengal? Kolkata. So these are the 29 capitals of our 29 states. And we have 7 union territories. Union territories are governed by central government. But Delhi and Puducherry are governing themselves. They are ruling their own state themselves. Andaman Nicobar Islands, 4th line. It's an island. It's an island in the east side. It is in Bay of Bengal. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Dadra Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Dadra Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Dayu and Daman, Daman. Delhi, Delhi. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. It is the smallest island. Andaman Nicobar is the biggest island. Puducherry, Puducherry. So these are the 7 union territories in India. So I think you have understood what are the capitals of our 29 states and 7 union territories. Today you take Xerox of these 29 states and their capitals, 7 union territories and their capitals. You take the Xerox from net and every day you read them once. You can remember them very easily. You can remember them very easily. Now look at the hearts. All of you open your homework notebooks, children, and enter these hearts in your homework notebook. Keep the heading. First one, what would have happened if the northern plains were not fertile? What would happen if the land is not fertile, if the land is not useful for growing crops? What would happen to us? Think the answer and write in your notebook. Otherwise, I will explain tomorrow. Compare plains with plateaus. What is the difference between plains and plateaus? Plains are even land, and plateau is a little bit raised land with steep slopes. Plateau is the rocky area. Plain is the fertile land. Plain is the fertile land. Like that, you compare and differentiate them. And take India map and identify what is the largest state, what is the smallest state, what is the most populated state, and where are islands and where is plateau. You enter these 3 questions in your homework notebook and try to write answers to them. You should do it. I will ask in the next session, did you do your homework or not? Okay, children. Now enter into the blanks. Andaman Nicobar Islands are in the, see, look at the answer. Andaman Nicobar Islands are in which sea? Bay of Bengal. See, children, Bay of Bengal. See, Andaman Nicobar Islands are in the sea of Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. And the Lakshadweep are in Arabian Sea. The Lakshadweep Islands are in Arabian Sea. The Lakshadweep Islands are in Arabian Sea. Okay. India has how many physical divisions? 6 physical divisions. Mountains, plains, desert, plateaus, coastal plains and islands. 6 physical divisions are there. The largest state in India. What is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. What is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. Tell me, what is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. And what is the smallest state in India? What is the smallest state in India? Goa. What is the smallest state in India? Goa. And the central government is governed by whom? Who are the persons who are governing the central government? I gave you yesterday, day before yesterday. 3 people are there. Prime Minister, President and Council of Ministers. Prime Minister, first one, Prime Minister, President and Council of Ministers. These 3 people are governing central government. These 3 people are ruling the central government. And India shares boundaries with Pakistan in the west side. Pakistan country is there. Pakistan country is in the west side of India. This is the boundary in west side. Okay. India is bounded by northern mountains in north side. India is bounded by northern mountains in north side. And the coastal plains stretch about 6,000 kilometers. What is the length of coastal plains? 6,000 kilometers. The Himalayas the Himalayas act as the natural boundary between 2 countries. What are the 2 countries? India and Nepal. They are dividing Nepal and India. They are acting as a big wall, natural wall between India and Nepal. Okay? These are the blanks. Write these blanks in your homework notebook. Peninsula. What is the peninsula? Southern Plateau. And Rajasthan is the biggest state. Island. Andaman Nicobar or Lakshadweep. And Assam. Assam's capital Dispur. Uttar Pradesh is mostly populated state in India. Name the neighboring countries of India. North side Nepal and northeast side Bangladesh and Myanmar, and south side Sri Lanka and west side Pakistan. These are the boundaries and neighboring states of India. Why do you think India is divided into states and union territories? Why? Because to rule the country easily. India is the 2nd largest country with a lot of population. The central government cannot rule it easily. So the central government the constitution divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. How many union territories are there in India? 7. And write about northern plains in India. Northern plains are in the north side of India, and they are very fertile, and they are irrigating most of the land in northern India, and many crops are grown here, and many famous cities are here. What is an island? Island is a place which is covered 4 sides with water. And describe the Indian peninsula. Indian peninsula is also called Peninsular Plateau, and it is extended from northern plains to southern tip of India, and it is very rocky, and it is divided into 2 parts. This is about the 3rd lesson. Write these blanks in your homework notebook and hearts in your homework notebook. Do this. I'll ask in the next session. And take a xerox of states and their capitals. Okay, children? Bye, children. Bye.